Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS Lambda configuration with infrastructure exports. To backup your AWS Lambda configuration using infrastructure exports, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS CloudFormation service. Click on the Stacks option in the left-hand panel. Select the stack that contains your Lambda function. Open the Outputs tab to view the resources associated with your stack. Identify the output associated with your Lambda function. Take note of the ARN or name of the Lambda function to ensure you have the correct resource. Next, open the AWS CLI on your preferred terminal. Ensure you have the AWS CLI installed and configured with the appropriate permissions. Run the following command to export your stack, replacing your stack name with the actual stack name. Bash AWS CloudFormation get template stack name your stack name stack template.json. This command. Next, inspect the stack template.json file to verify the configurations. Search for the resources section to locate your Lambda function configuration. Copy relevant configurations such as the runtime, handler, and memory size. Now, navigate to the IAM service within the AWS Management Console. Locate and export any IAM roles or policies associated with your Lambda function. To do this, go to the Roles section and find the role linked to your Lambda function. Select the role and click on the Trust Relationships tab. Copy the trust policy document to ensure the function can access the necessary AWS services. If there are any custom environment variables, note them down as well. Once you have gathered all necessary configurations, create a new documentation file. Consider using Markdown or a JSON format to maintain organization. Document each configuration clearly, including descriptions of each parameter. Finally, store the documentation file securely in a version-controlled repository. This ensures you can quickly restore or recreate configurations in the future if necessary. You have now successfully backed up your AWS Lambda configuration using infrastructure exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.